Hi, I am Arun, working as a Java programmer at Spyro Solutions. Here we are going to discuss about the packet dropper, who is identifying the packet dropper, who is traveling in the packets between the network, who is catching the packets. The title of the project is Catching Packet Dropper and Modifier Inside the Wireless Sensor Network. So, how we can identify the packet dropper means the sender and sink is connected. When the sender is connected to the sink, it's in one network. The sink will provide one key to each node. It's a private key. So each private key we can use to encrypt the messages. So using that a private key only we can able to encrypt and divide it into packets and send the messages through the sink nodes. So first we are using the two algorithms named routing tree algorithm and node reclamation algorithm. Routing tree algorithm, using that routing tree algorithm, the sink node will distribute the path to each nodes, which path they can send the packets. So the sender will identify the path. First the sender will take the information and encrypt using his private key. Then it will be divided into packets and each packet is transmitted through the network. Using that routing tree algorithm, it will choose the path. When the path is chosen by the sender, the sink node identify the path, which path that packet is going to travel. Using that packet, and the sender is sending the packet, comparing those two paths, the sink will identify any dropper is inside the network or not. If there is no change in the sending packets and receiving packets of the path, it is identified as a normal transmission. If there is any modification or the attacker is trying to attack the packet, means the whole route will be changed. So the sink node can able to identify the packet dropper. So using that concept, we are identifying the packet dropper inside the network. Here I am going to explain the architecture diagram of the packet dropper. So we are using the authentication purpose. We are using to sign up for use normal user and the sink. So when the user is signed in, we are using one DAG. Using the DAG, we are data flow is allocated to the sink. For that, the sink, when the user is connected to the sink will provide one key. Key allocation will be happening. The key is sent to all users inside the network. So each user have one particular key only. Using that unique key, they can able to encrypt the message and divide it into packets. Then only they will select the key path. Using that path, they will transmit it to the sink node. The sink node receive the message and encrypt want to decrypt it the message using that key set by the sink. So the sink will check the packet dropper using the key path. How the allocation of the key and the path. So using that path only, he will identify who is the dropper inside the network. So this is the general concept of our project. Thank you.